Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel 2F Commercial Composition. We go to the instruction file. So assignment title is the Excel 2F Commercial Composition. If you want to complete assignment or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete MylTLab courses, it's Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access. We can do online courses is accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, and other courses. We can move to the question number 1. So question number 1 is the open the Excel workbook student Excel 2F commercial composition access downloaded with this project. Go to the Excel worksheet. I have already downloaded the Excel file. We can move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is the rename the sheet 1 is the Arizona and rename sheet 2 is the Washington. Copy the Arizona sheet 1, rename the sheet 1, right click the rename and rename the sheet 1 is Arizona and rename the sheet 2 is the Washington. Copy the Washington is the rename sheet 2 and paste the Washington. So question number 2 is complete. We can move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is click the Arizona sheet tab is the active sheet and then group the worksheet in the cell A1 is the Marisol Desserts and Spices. Group the worksheet and then group the worksheet and cell A1 is the copy the title and paste the A1 is the title, press enter and then merge and center the text A1 to F1. Select the cell A1 to F1 is the merge and center. Go to the home tab, go to the alignment group, click the merge and center and apply the title cell style. Apply the title cell style. Go to the home tab, go to the cell style group, is the apply the title cell style and merge and center the text in the cell A2 across the range A2 to F2. Copy the range A2 to F2 and paste the range, press enter. Go to the home tab, go to the alignment group, click the merge and center. A2 to F2 is the merge and center and apply the heading 3 cell style. Heading 3 cell style. So question number 3 is complete. We can move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is the bonus rates for each the salesperson and determined by the sales amounts using the following scales. Sale greater than is value and earn the 5% sale is greater than 25,000 earn bonus is state 4%. All the other sales earned bonus is the 2% with the sheet still group the in the cell C5 is the if function determine the commission rates is the first sale person whose sale is the select the cell is B5. Select the cell is C5. Select the cell is C5. Insert the if function. Type is equal to type the if function and select the cell is B5 greater than 35,000 comma and type 5%, and then bonus rate is the 4% of 5%, and apply a comma, select the cell is B5, greater than is 25,000 and 4%. Select the cell as B5, greater than 0 comma 2%. Close bracket, press enter button, and fill the formula through cell C8. So question number 4 is complete. We can move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is in the cell D5, calculate the bonus of Moreland by the multiply the sales time the bonus rates. Copy the formula down through cell D8. Select the cell as D5 is calculate the bonus for Moreland, multiply the sales time the bonus rate. Select the cell as D5 is the multiplier, sale bonus is the bonus rate, type is equal to, and select the cell as Moreland, sorry, type is equal to, and select the cell as B5 multiplier C5 is the bonus rate, press enter, and copy the formula down through the cell D8. Cell is so question number 5 is a complete. We can move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is in a cell F5, calculate the total composition by the summing the bonus base salary for Moreland. Copy the formula down through the cell F8. In the cell F5 is to calculate the composition. Type is equal to, type the sum function, and E5 to E5, close bracket, press enter button, and copy the formula down through the cell F8. Question number 6 is a complete. We can move to the question number 9. So question number 9 is insert the row 9, sum the column of sale bonus, base salary, and total composition. Apply the accounting number format with the two decimal places, and sell the row 5 and row 9 is do not include the percentage. Insert in the row 9, sum the column, Row 9 is the sum the sales, bonus sales and base salary. Type is equal to type the sum function, the sales, press enter, and sale bonus and base salary. Bonus type is equal to type the sum function, bonus column range, press enter, and next is base salary. Type is equal to type the sum function, press enter, base salary, and total composition. Type is equal to type the sum function, the total composition, press enter button. And Arizona worksheet, go to the Arizona worksheet. Type is equal to type the sum function is the sales, press enter, and go to the bonus. Type is equal to type the sum function, and the copy range value is the bonus column B5 to D8. Press enter button. Type is equal to type the sum function, bracket, press enter button, and the total composition, the sum function, close bracket, press enter button. So question number 7 is a complete. We can move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is a apply the comma style with the two decimal places and cell row 6 to 8 do not include the percentage. Apply the total cell style B9 D9 to F9. Apply the comma style two decimal places. Comma style is two decimal places, row 6 to row 8. Row 6 to row 8. Row 8 is the apply the comma style two decimal places, comma style and two decimal places. Click OK, and apply the total cell style B9 D9 and F9. B9 D9 to F9 is the apply the accounting number formats. Go to the Washington worksheet and comma style and two decimal places, comma style row 6 to row 8 do not include the bonus rate, comma style and two decimal places. Click OK, and apply the total set style. Total set style and B9 D9 to F9. Apply the total set style is the click OK. So question number 8 is a complete. We can move to the question number 9. So question number 9 is a ungroup the sheets and insert the new worksheet. Change the sheet name is summary and then widen column A to 210 pixel and B to E is the 155 pixel. Ungroup the worksheet. and insert the new worksheets. Insert the new worksheets, and a new sheet name is the summary sheets. Copy the summary sheet. Rename the sheet one is summary sheets. Press enter button, and then column A is 210. Column width is 210 pixel. And column B2 is 155 pixel. 155 pixel. So question number 9 is a complete. We can move to the question number 10. So question number 10 is a move the summary sheet is the first sheet in the workbook. Move the summary sheet is the workbook, and in the cell A1 of the summary sheets is the Marisol Desserts and Spices. Copy the title and paste the summary sheet in the cell A1. Enter, and then merge and center the title is A1 to E1. Go to the home tab, go to the landmark group, click the merge and center A1 to E1 and apply the title cell style. Home tab, go to the style group, click the title cell style and apply the title cell style in the cell A2 is the November commercial salesperson bonus summary. Copy the title in the cell A2, paste the cell is A2, November commercial salesperson bonus salary, press enter button and merge and center the text A2 to E2. Select the range A2 to E2 is the merge and center. Go to the home tab, go to the landmark group, click the merge and center, and then across the merge and center apply the heading 1 cell style. Style group, click the heading 1 cell style.